Okay, this tutorial will show you how to attach your artwork to an email in Gmail. So to find my email for the to area, and of course we're in Gmail right now, you just type my initials MF and you'll see my cat pirate, and that symbol, that icon tells you this is me, so you click on that. Please type in a subject. You could type in homework, for example. And it's a good idea to put a friendly email in here. So, dear Mrs., always capitalize Mrs. and put a period, Fogel song. Here's my homework. Sincerely, and then your name. Okay? So, once you've done this, and by the way, you should skip a line between the greeting, the sentence, and the closing, and then just skip not one line, but just enter and put your name. And that's the polite way to make an email. Okay, now when you're ready to attach your artwork, you want to choose the paper clip, not the chain link. That's for links to internet sites. We want this paper clip. Once you click the attach paper clip, look for your folder. So your folder, for example, is going to have your name on it. And then go to your graphic novel and you simply click that and open. If it's 2 pages that you want to send, so for example this one, again, you can choose the view over here so that you can see what pages you're trying to send. You can click on one, hold down your shift button on your keyboard, and then click on the second page. Open these, wait for them to finish loading, and when they're finished loading, you can hit send. But don't hit that button until they're all the way loaded.